ka?
Hindi, dito lang. Hi! Kayo? Asan siya?
Mamaya tingnan.
Lumaba ako. Asan siya? Hi! Ano daw? Ano ba dyan? Ano to, bading? Ano to, bading? Bading, ba't ka bumili? Hi, Jellies! First concert ng BTS. Oh my God! Nasa, ano yan ta? Mag-isa lang ako. Hindi ka mag-review ako lang. Kasi mag-review ako. So, nakita ko guys. BTS ako. Just to turn me on. It was saying for me, I'm gonna gotta do your recognition number. You're doing me right, you're calling me blue. Since I've ever come and it both ain't true. It's just different for me, it's different for you. Got me feeling things so unusual. And the living world. Got me in my feelings up on this wall. And my name is kerosene. So for me, chemical induced fantasy and fame and the things we choose. Show me hate, show me love, make me bulletproof. Here we call this shit normal. Run away, out of sight, don't know what I want. Wish I had a minute just to turn me out. Can you see the believe what I gotta do? Yeah, we call this shit normal.
널 추모하는 문자가 많이 와 있어. 나를 만나.
뭐가요?
네가 곡 쓰는 걸 아는 친구.
Hi Jellies, good morning. So today is April 21, Tuesday, and this week online class namin. So mag-online class lang kami ngayon, wala lang. I'm taking this video kasi wala na naman akong content sa monthly vlog ko. Kasi nandito lang ako sa bahay. Naantok pa diba? It's 7:36 a.m. and I have a class at 8 a.m. which is anesthesia. So So, ayun, nagabang ako and see you guys while ordering the class. So, yun lang.
May mga sports athletes, they feel good kapag gumagamit po ng substance po na to. Okay? Halimbawa, yung mga famous, famous athlete para ma-enhance yung kanilang ability.
Labas-pasok ng tube. So, madadamage yung lining ng daanan ng ihi ng pasyente, yung kanila pong urethra na iniiwasan din natin. Kaya, yung Folicat, instead na 7 days siya papalitan, ay gagamitin siya hanggat hindi siya nasisira, hanggat hindi siya nakakontaminate, no?
Hi Jellies, good morning. Yes, morning pa. Today I have actually I don't have a class but I have a let them because this week FTF week namin. So actually always naman kaming may FTF kapag let them day talaga. So ngayon I'm currently preparing and samahan niyo ako mag-get ready. Get ready with me! Basta magma-makeup na tayo. So mag-11 na and I'm planning na umalis ng 12 p.m. Although 3 p.m. pa yung schedule ko but kailangan maaga tayo kasi ayokong malate. I'm scared. Charot. Basta ayan, samahan niyo mag-makeup. So, hi Jellies. I'm done doing my makeup. Hindi pa ako nag-uniform. Siguro later na bago ako umalis. And I still have time bago ako umalis because it's currently 11:05 a.m. Pero 12 pa ako alis. So, I still have less than an hour. So, quick review lang ulit ako for our at them. And as you can hear, I'm listening to BTS music. Actually wala lang, binalikan ko lang yung mga kanta nila noon kasi nakakamiss. Kasi this past few days puro ko arirang album kasi nga nag-stream, and na-miss ko. Kaya yan, sinunod-sunod ko na naman sila. So, ayun lang, quick review lang ako guys. So, samahan nyo rin ako mag-quick review.
Saan ginagamit yung 16G?
Number 33, Suarez. Number 3, passes to Matiba. To number 3 again. Number 36, for 3. No good pa din. Wala pa din. Napasa. Napasa. Other side of the field here.